Let's look into another one, what we call replace. You can replace a character with another character, or so similarly, replace works with on a variable itself. Suppose I say a equal to I am newbie in Java rocks. Okay. And then we realize, oh, I made a mistake in this string. Somebody think this way. I sent you an email and I made a spelling mistake, or I accidentally put my name. When you process my email in your program, you want to say, you know what, let's fix all those problems. Wherever there is a spelling mistake, rather than Java, it should have been Python. So you want to process that email, you want to process the text and replace the value with something new value. That's where the replace function is very useful. And again, this you will be using a lot. Let's say b equal to, I'll say a dot replace. And again, a dot replace, the replace function is available directly on the variable a itself. Replace function or trim function, all these are available on the string. So I could have also said like this. I can say Akarsh dot replace. See, as long as it's a string, whether it's a variable or a full length, variable or fixed or constant string, I can call directly on the string itself. Okay. So in this case, I'm using a variable, so I'll say a dot replace, and then it will say replace what with what is your source and what is your target. So suppose I want to say replace Java with Python. Okay, I want to print B. What will happen is all the occurrence of Java in your source string will be replaced by Python. Okay, that is how replace works. Now, if I were the Python developer, I would have put this as replace and then parameter, and I'll say a comma Java comma Python. Remember, I told you the function is not very consistent. The replace I would use as a function. Then my first parameter is where I want to replace, what I want to replace, and with what I would substitute it with or replace with. But Python takes it, the a is not a first parameter. Since you're calling on directly on the function, you don't pass a like this. You say like this. You call it like a dot, right? This is what line number 2 is. I just wanted to show you, like this. This is what I would have done that, but Python, does it little differently. So this is not a valid way in Python. You have to call it on a dot replace. You can't say replace and then pass a parameter. Just a quick note. Coming back, so when you say a dot replace print, Rahim, what do you think it will print before I run?
It'll say I'm a newbie at Python, or I'm a newbie in Python Java rocks.
So that's an interesting point. Will it replace all, or will it replace only first?
Just the first.
Not really. It will replace everything.
Okay.
Okay. Oops. I'm a newbie in Java rocks. What did happen here? Dave, what do you think? Why did not it replace?
Because the Java in replace is lowercase, while the Java in the word is capital.
Bingo. Right? Java is Python is case sensitive. Java lowercase and Java uppercase are different characters. That's why I did not replace it. It goes exactly by case. So lowercase, uppercase, whatever you put it, that will replace how it is, or however you want. Make sense? So second mistake I have seen some people make it is you got B, but then you forgot to print B and you are still printing A, and that will break your head because you will think like, okay, what did I do? You didn't realize that you have to print the new value B rather than A. So replace will work as it is, but you didn't realize that you are printing the wrong variable here. Anyway, So Java, you replace it. You replace this time if I run it, it will replace both and say, I am newbie in Python, Python rocks. Make sense? Rahim? Okay.